Hello, and welcome to V.C Pro 3. If you've forgotten your TikTok password and are trying to view it directly on your iPhone, it's important to know that TikTok does not allow you to view your current password inside the app for security reasons. However, there are a couple of ways you might still recover or reset your password using your iPhone. Let's walk through the steps. If you have ever saved your TikTok login credentials using the iPhone's password manager keychain, you may be able to find them. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap Passwords. Authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode, and look for TikTok. If TikTok is listed, tap it to view the saved username, email, and password. To see the password, tap and hold on the dots in the password column. That's where you'll see the password. But this only works if you've saved your password using Safari or allowed iPhone to save it when you logged in. 2. Open the Safari on your iPhone. On the search bar, type google.com. After that, tap Profile icon on the top right page. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Then tap on Manage your Google account. Swipe the menu bar until you find the Security tab bar. Scroll down until you find Passwords Manager. Click Manage Passwords. And here you will see all social media whose passwords have been saved to your Google account, including your TikTok account. To see the password, click TikTok app. Enter your Google account password, and that's it. Now you can see the forgotten TikTok account password. That way you don't have to reset the TikTok password. Now you know how to view your TikTok password on iPhone. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.